Every Holy Week, the island of Marinduque transforms. Streets become stages, silence gives way to drum beats, and behind carved mask, faith begins to walk.
Dumadaloy sa aking sangkatauhan.
This is Moriones, one of the Philippines' most visually striking religious traditions. The Moriones festival traces its roots to the Spanish colonial period, when friars introduced religious plays as a way to tell biblical stories. In the late 1800s, Father Dionisio Santiago of Mugbog helped shape the tradition, centering it on the story of Longinus, the Roman soldier who pierced Christ's side and later found faith. What began in Mugbog slowly spread across the island to Buac, Gasan, Santa Cruz, and to other towns that would give tradition their own voice. Though the story remained the same, each community shaped Moriones through its own hands, beliefs, and imagination. This ethnovideography focuses on Buenavista, Marinduque, to examine how the Moriones tradition is practiced, understood, and sustained through multiple perspectives. By engaging the voices of the church, the devotees, the artisans, and local institutions, the film documents Moriones not only as a ritual performance but as a lived expression of faith shaped by community, labor, and governance.
2022, walang established na Morion dito, group. From Torrijos, yung dumating ako dito, since ako nag-Morion din, nag-ano ako na mag-establish ng isang grupo dito. Ang nabuo namin ay Auxilia Vistano. Auxilia kasi isa sa mga Roman Guard. Grupo din ng mga Roman Guard. And then yung Vistano comes from the Buenavista. Vistano ang tawag sa mga Buenavista. So nagsimula kami siguro sa mga 10. And then yearly, may natatagdag naman. As of now, siguro more than 20 plus na kami. Dito, supported ng government, ng LGU. Before Holy Week, kailangan mag-register ka. Kailangan mag-register ka and then bibigyan ka ng number. You can claim it, sort of honorarium, after Holy Week na. Lahat ng needs naman, halimbawa, merong mga bisita iglesia, provide naman ng municipal government yung mga transportation. Siguro, pagmamalaki namin na sa buong lalawigan ng Marinduque, dito lamang merong vice mayor ng Moriones.
For him, Moriones is an act of devotion and shared responsibility, an effort that reflects the spirit of cultural preservation recognized in laws like RA 11904, where communities themselves sustain living heritage.
So isang unique dito sa Buenavista regarding sa Morion ay merong mga nagmomorial dito na taga-Magtingon, barangay Magtingon, na ang kanilang costume is handmade. Yung kumbaga ay unique, sila mismo gumagawa para basama sa penitentiary.
Amador Lining po. Siena. Amador Siena Lining. 60 po. Nagabagtingon ako. Sagasan muna ako nagsimula.
Bakit po sagasan pa rin?
Nung una dito, wala nagamoryon pa dito. Nung ako nagsimula nagmoryon ay kwan, nung nangani, 1983. Ay sa sagasan naman ay, nung una sagasan, ay doon muna kami nakisama sa yung kasama kaya kwan ko dito, grupo. Ay nung marami na dito nagmoryon, dito na kami sa Buenavista para bagang panata namin. Gusto ko rin magpuan sa buhay, magpanata yung gusto ko magmoryon hanggang buhay. Kaya sabi ko sa mga anak ko, sana gayahin ninyo ako nakilala sa Buenavista.
This is Tatay Amador, a devoted Morion since the 1980s from Magtingon, Buenavista. For decades, he has carried his vow through faith and discipline. The costume he wears traces back to a maker once mentioned by Father Sherwin, an artisan who eventually moved to Manila but left behind his creations so the tradition could continue living in the community. One of those enduring works is Tatay Amador's costume, a symbol of both craftsmanship and continuity.
Gano'n kalayo tayo naikot nyo po pag nagkaparada kayo?
Malayo po hanggang dyan sa may gasolinahan. Hanggang dyan sa sa barangay 4. Nalibot po hanggang bayan, sa bayan, naikot po yung hanggang bayan.
Bayan ng Buena Vista po.
Binabayan.
As the tradition evolves, new hands continue the legacy. During our journey, we met another renowned costume maker, one of the most recognized in Marinduque, based in Banahaw, Gasan. Because Buenavista neighbors Gasan, many Morians traveled to him to craft and restore their costumes, showing how tradition flows across town through shared skill, trust, and devotion.
Bali, ito yung gawa kong costume ng palda ko ay rubber. Patusin talaga, yung mga diunang Moryon. Yun na talaga ang panon. Dahil ang gusto na rin ng mga, alam mo sa atin, mga balikbayan, mga turista,
Maganda.
ay magaganda ang katuwiran nila pag nawin ng probinsya dito sa atin. Ay, nakakatamad ang umuwi naman ng probinsya ng Marinduque. Ganon at ganon pa rin ang suot. Kaya, nakaisip kami ng bagong kwan, mga design. Pero yung ina-design ko naman, pansintoryon pa rin naman. Ito naman inapipililaan naman sa mga divisoryan. Yung mga ganyan design. Pero yung sa mga samahan namin, yung mga mista, pag sila nagkapagawa sa amin, parang inabayaran din nila ako doon sa tinakang abala, yung ginastos ko. Mahirap naman kasi maggawa ka na ng costume na puro libre. Ay paano naman yung tirang ginastos ko? May nagkapagawa, may nabili sa akin. Inabinta ko naman yung tamang presyo lang, yung kaya ng bulsa nila. Pag bagong-bago isang set, ang binta ko 25. Suotin na lang yung kasama ng maskarang isang set na yun. Hindi man kahoy yan, rubber. Noong una, nagawa ko ng kahoy noon, mabigat sa katawan. Ay, gusto pa din yung penitensya ko na nakaiwas kami sa sakit. Yung asawa ko yung nakapag-abroad, pa din. Bali, itong maskara ko na ito gawa sa kahoy na santol. Ito ay walis tambo naman. Dati nung una ko, nagagawa ko ng balahibo ng manok. Katagalan ay nagaputol-putol. Katanggalan ay hindi man katulad dito, maski sa bunutan mo, matibay.
In the absence of a local costume maker in Buenavista, many Morions turned to Tatay Jeric Evangelista, one of Marinduque's respected Moriones costume makers. While deeply rooted in tradition, his work continues to evolve. Designs adapt to changing tastes while preserving the religious meaning and cultural integrity of the Moriones. Through makers like Tatay Jeric, Moriones continues to thrive, not only as devotion but as part of the country's living creative heritage, sustained by artisans whose work reflects the spirit of cultural and creative industry development recognized under RA 11961. Through living practices like costume making and pamamanata, Moriones endures not only as ritual but as a creative cultural practice strengthened through collective effort and continued support of creative industries under RA 11961. The mask is set down, but faith, memory, and tradition continue to live on in Buenavista.